Frustrated by the msrd3x40.dll error causing Microsoft Jet Replication Objects to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. To begin the walkthrough for msrd3x40, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the msrd3x40, the Microsoft Desktop Database Driver, JET, version 3.x and 4.0, a legacy localized module providing localized unmanaged connectivity shims for access databases, mandatory for legacy 32-bit localized accounting and ERP software to resolve localized data link retrieval. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Because msrd3x40.dll is a core Windows resource, we should utilize the built-in recovery tools. Run sfc/scan now from an administrator-level command prompt to scan for system-level errors and refresh your protected file library. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the msrd3x40 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. A quick safety warning: never download files like msrd3x40.dll from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. One approach to reviewing msrd3x40 references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. To support our technical team and receive updates on msrd3x40 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.